Hello, welcome back to Path to Wellness with Miriam. I wanted to share what I've been making in my Make It and Take It class. So the first thing we did was some Epsom salts. Before my class, I took some old kombucha bottles and I used lemon essential oil to get the residue from the label off of the bottles. Let me tell you, that really worked. The Epsom salts I used were from Costco. I got a box of Epsom salts. This is the Dr. Teal's Pure Epsom Salt Therapeutic Soak. It comes with two 6-pound bags in the box. For our Epsom salts, I decided to stick with lavender essential oil. Lavender is a very nice calming oil. It's great for the skin and for all beauty regimens. I used the Young Living lavender. So we mixed together the essential oils. We put them into the kombucha bottle. This is about 2 cups of Epsom salts. I suggest putting a ribbon and a little card to label your Epsom salts and give it as a gift, or you can use it yourself. I plan on using some of my Epsom salts for my girls' baths. I personally do not enjoy baths, but I'm thinking of getting into the habit just because I know how good Epsom salt baths are, especially when you add the therapeutic benefits of essential oils to them. So the other thing we did was we made some rollerball blends with these cool roller bottles that I got from Amazon. You can check out my last Essential Rewards video plus Amazon haul in video. I'll try to link it down below. Anyway, I really liked these bottles and how they are working for me. So one of the blends that I made was a nice seasonal blend of lemon, lavender, and peppermint. This one is great. It's a really good calming scent. It's a good one to use in the spring months. Anyway, I'm really looking forward to using this more. Another blend I made was, I named this one Calm. This is a very calming scent of lavender, lime, and spearmint. This is great for relaxation times, anytime that you just get tense. Another one is the RC and lime blend. RC is a good blend to help with just taking a deep breath, breathing in. It's great. And the last one I named Tummy. This has digest in it as well as peppermint. Both are really awesome oils. I named it Tummy just to remind me that this is a great one to apply to the stomach area. So when I made the essential oil blends, I used this jojoba oil from Trader Joe's. I really like this. It doesn't leave your skin feeling greasy. I only put like 10 to 20 drops of essential oil in the bottle, which only like fills it up to like way down low. And then I filled it all the rest of the way up with the oil. Using a roller bottle is way more convenient than trying to put the essential oil plus the carrier oil into the palm of your hand. You also tend to make less of a mess. There's a less chance of wasting oil, so it's more economic to use a roller bottle. A carrier oil helps spread the essential oil over a greater area of your skin so more of your body can absorb the therapeutic benefits of the oil. Also, a carrier oil helps dilute it to make it safe for sensitive skin and safe to use with children and even very young babies. I suggest that you dilute your oils always with children and babies. Feel free to comment below and tell me what your favorite recipe for essential oil blends are. Another thing that I've made recently is I've taken my Thieves Cleaner concentrate and put it in my glass spray bottle to make an all-purpose cleaner to use all around the house. Thieves is so amazing. It cleans all your surfaces, bathroom, kitchen, floors, doorknobs, walls, like everything. It's great. I love that it gets everything really clean. I love that it smells good, and I love overall having a really natural, healthy cleaner It's full of essential oils, so you're getting the therapeutic benefits from the essential oils when you're cleaning, so you don't need to clean with gloves. You're not inhaling nasty, harsh chemicals like from other cleaning products. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Be sure to click the button below to subscribe and comment below and let me know whether you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. I try to post a video every Monday, and Thursdays I post a grocery haul. Have a good day. Bye.